Hello students, myself Dhruvajyoti Chakraborty, Assistant Professor of Department of Mechanical Engineering of Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology. Today in this lecture I will discuss about the basic concepts of thermodynamics, and this is the part 1 of that basic concepts. So what is thermodynamics? According to the scientists, thermodynamics is a combination of two Greek words. One is therm, which means heat, and another one is dynamics, which means motion or force. In primitive days, understanding of thermodynamics centered around the concept of getting power from heat or hot bodies or abilities of hot body to produce work. So, the definition of thermodynamics can be defined as it is the science of energy transfer and its effect on the physical properties of substances. It is based upon the observation of common experience which have been formulated into thermodynamic laws. These laws govern the principles of energy conversion. The application of the thermodynamics laws and principles are found in all fields of energy technology, notably gas turbine, IC engine, air conditioners, power plant, steam engines. All of these devices make use of heat to achieve useful work and vice versa. There are two points of view from which the behavior of matter can be studied. The first one is macroscopic approach. In macroscopic approach, a certain quantity of matter is considered without the events occurring at the molecular level being taken into account. And the second one is microscopic approach. In microscopic point of view, matter is composed of myriads of molecules. If it is a gas, each molecule at a given instant has a certain position, velocity, energy, and for each molecule this change very frequently, resulting as a collision. The behavior of the gas is described by summing up the behavior of each molecule. A thermodynamic system is defined as a quantity of matter or a region in space upon which the attention is concentrated in the analysis of a particular problem. Everything external to the system is called the surroundings. Basically, the system is separated from the surroundings by the system boundary. This system boundary may be either fixed or moving. The system, surroundings, and the system boundary altogether comprises a universe. Basically, there are three classes of system. First one is open system, in which mass and energy transfer takes place across the system boundary. For example, we can say a hot cup of tea. The second one is closed system, where only energy transfer takes place but no mass transfer across the system boundary takes place. For example, we can say the same hot cup of tea with a lid, in which only the heat or the energy transfer will take place but no mass transfer will take place. And the third one is isolated system, where neither mass nor energy transfer will take place across the system boundary. For example, we can say a thermo flask. Most thermodynamic systems are open systems. By analyzing such systems, attention is focused on a certain volume within the system known as control volume, such as an air compressor, where continuous airflow is taking place from inlet to outlet. This control volume is bounded by a surface known as control surface. Matters as well as energy crosses the control surface. Every system has a certain characteristics by which its physical condition may be described. For example, pressure, volume, temperature, etc. Such characteristics are called the properties of the system. When all the properties of the system have definite values, the system is said to exist in a definite state. Properties are the coordinates to describe the state of a system. They are state variables of a system. Any operations in which one or more properties of a system changes are known as the change of state. The succession of states passed through during a change of state is called the path of the change of state. When the path is completely defined or specified, the change of state is called as process, such as constant pressure process or a isobaric process. Then comes the thermodynamic cycle. A thermodynamic cycle is defined as a series of changes such that the final state is identical with the initial state. So for today, this is the basic concept of thermodynamics. In the second part, I will come with more about the basic concept of thermodynamics. For that, thank you.